Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to stop people from seeing what others post on your Facebook profile using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. In the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Now, click on Profile and Tagging. Step 7. Next to Who can see what others post on your profile, click on the drop-down menu to open it. Step 8. Select Only Me from the available options. Step 9. Finally, click on Done to save the changes. That's it. You have successfully prevented others from seeing what others post on your Facebook profile. Now, you have more control over who can view the posts made by others on your profile. That brings us to the end of this tutorial on how to stop people from seeing what others post on your Facebook profile using your PC. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.